Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Tablet section. Then click on Edit under Current Device Name and type in wherever you wish to. In my case, Sunny. Now to save your new name, hit Done in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my tablet has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!